Are you interested in health, safety, security and environment? Do you wish to become a professional member of British International Organisation? Are you interested in OSHA certification, or is your organisation interested in becoming an accredited training centre? And finally, are you looking for an opportunity to work in an oil and gas sector, manufacturing industry or construction company as health and safety professionals? Then Occupational Safety and Health Association, United Kingdom, is your dream come true. Join us today to become a trained and certified member of the Occupational Safety and Health Association. For more information, visit our regional headquarters at the ground floor of Federal Secretariat Complex Phase 1 Central Business District, FCT, Abuja. WhatsApp or call 08170 22 55730 3786 880. Email us via info@oshassociation.org. You can also visit www.oshassociation.org or www.nigeria.oshassociation.org.
Fire doesn't wait. It spreads fast, destroys everything in its path, and can turn a safe environment into a life-threatening trap within minutes. The consequences? Lives lost, severe injuries, and irreversible damage. Most fires start from everyday activities: cooking, electrical faults, flammable liquids, or even carelessness with smoking materials. And while these causes seem simple, the risks are deadly. Breathing smoke for just a few seconds can cause unconsciousness, and toxic fumes can kill long before flames reach you. Fire safety isn't just about knowing how to use an extinguisher. It's about prevention. Keep flammable items away from heat, check your alarms regularly, and never leave cooking unattended. Understand the different classes of fire and the correct extinguishing methods, because using the wrong one can make things worse. Water extinguishers for Class A fires involving wood, paper, or textiles. Never use on electrical or flammable liquid fires. Foam extinguishers for Class A and B fires, such as solid materials and flammable liquids, but not for electrical fires. Dry powder extinguishers, ABC powder, versatile for Class A, B, and C fires, including flammable gases and electrical equipment. CO2 extinguishers for electrical fires and flammable liquids, but not for solids or cooking oil fires. Wet chemical extinguishers, specially designed for cooking oil and fat fires, Class F, and also safe for Class A fires. If fire breaks out, remember, stay calm, act fast, and follow the safest escape route. If you must move through smoke, get low and go. And if your clothes catch fire, stop, drop, cover, roll. Every second counts. The choices you make in those moments can mean the difference between safety and tragedy. Fire safety isn't a box you tick. It's a responsibility you live by every day. Stay alert, stay prepared, stay alive. Mercado, and we are going to find the 5 biggest fire dangers in your home. Some of these might be right next to you now. Number 5 is the one most people don't know about. Let's start. First is the kitchen. Most house fires start here. Never leave cooking alone. Keep towels and paper away from the stove. Clean grease, because a dirty stove can catch fire. Heaters keep you warm, but if they are too close to curtains or beds, they can start fires. Keep heaters at least 3 feet away from anything that can burn. Turn them off before you sleep or leave. Number 3, don't plug too many things into one socket. If wires or plugs are broken or hot, stop using them. This can cause sparks and fires. Candles look nice, but they can start fires if left alone. Keep candles away from things that can burn. Always blow out candles before you leave the room. Number 5 is charging phones overnight with cheap plugs or too many things plugged in. These can get hot and start fires. Use good chargers and don't overload sockets. Unplug when done. These are 5 fire dangers you can fix today. Which one surprised you?
I'm going to stop you right there. Did you know that 8 out of 10 fires in dorms are started by cooking? Dorm fires can happen pretty quickly. Here are 5 ways that you can cook smart in the kitchen. Make sure you always stay in the kitchen while cooking. Never leave your stove or oven unattended. Keep all flammable items away from the stovetop. Those should not be in your space. Make sure that you're always cooking with a timer while also checking your food regularly. In case you have a grease fire, just get out and close the door behind you to contain the fire. Do not cook if you're drowsy or impaired. It's better to wait until you're alert and focused.
Fire safety guidelines at work. Have working smoke alarms installed throughout the building and regularly test them. Keep fire exits and escape routes clear at all times. Regularly inspect and maintain electrical equipment and appliances to prevent electrical fires. Store flammable substances in secure areas and only use them when necessary. Do not overload power sockets or use damaged electrical cords. Ensure all employees know how to use fire extinguishers and have access to them. Keep a readily accessible first aid kit available in case anyone is injured during a fire. Regularly review fire safety procedures and conduct fire drills to ensure that employees know what to do in the event of a fire.